Hi, we are Neurons team and this is Summy, your AI coworker. It is a voice-to-code and conversation summarizer. Our mission is to double the productivity of companies. Especially for fast-growing companies, it's very challenging to keep track of everything you work on, stay organized, and document each step to help you in the future and bring value to your business. And what's most crucial, if you're in tech and you don't document your code, it could be a disaster. So here is where Summy can help you. We built this using OpenAI's Whisper, GPT-3 and Codex models. Using it is easy. First, you select the mode, then you make the recording, and finally, you get the answer. Some use cases are meetings, documentation, study notes, or as a coding tool. So let's see how it works. First, let's try with a text summarization example. OpenAI was founded in San Francisco in late 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman and others, who collectively pledged $1 billion. Once we stop the recording, an audio file is generated, and Whisper makes a transcription of that audio that will be used as a prompt for GPT-3 with the order of summarize the transcription. Here, under the result title, we will get the summarization. Now let's see a code example. A simple function that returns a random number in Python. Once again, once we stop the recording, an audio file is generated. Whisper makes a transcription of that audio, and that will be used as a prompt for Codex in this case, with the order of making a code snippet. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and greetings from the Neurons team.